Hey guys, I just have a few moments here. I just want to do a quick overview of what I'm trying to do today. So we've got a bunch of parcels of land. These are fields at the home ranch. I've roughly divided them into the pastures. Haven't cut out trees or wetlands or anything like that, but what my goal was is I took free NDVI satellite imagery from the Sentinel-2 satellites, and I want to see how these each pasture, how it does over time. So I want to be able to plot the NDVI, see which ones increase quickly in the spring, which ones increase slowly, that changes, just kind of exploring how they're used. So that's in QGIS. Now I've got my normal, I fired up just a Replit project with nothing in it. It's a blank main.py. And then I just connected it to Cursor, and I'm just getting rolling here now. You're a expert in geostats Python. I have a folder of geojson files and NDVI zonal stats. Each file represents NDVI zonal stats for a specific date. The file has a series of rows representing farm pastures. There are a few notes, including pasture name, size, etc., and there's zonal stats for each field and the time noted. What I'd like to do is plot the NDVI values for the fields over time, ranging from early 2023 to late 2024. Then I want to explore how each pasture NDVI change over time. Going to use Claude Sonnet. Let's see if I can use preview. See how it goes. So the only missing step there was maybe in QGIS, I used the zonal stats function to output a geojson for each of all the pastures at each date. So this is 23 September 8th, 5/1. I'll go over that sometime, but for right now, okay. So it's got a stat here. What's it gonna do? So using JSON pandas, etc. We'll read all the GeoJSONs in a specified directory, extract dates from file names, create a panda data frame with all the NDVI data, create two generalizations, a line plot showing NDVI values over time for each pasture, a heat map showing seasonal patterns. I don't know how that will work, but we'll see. Print summary stats. So I guess I'll just apply this and see what it looks like. And then if I click run over here on Replit, let's see what happens. I gotta save it here. I could do this all in Replit, but I've still got my composer trial active. See how it goes. I gotta leave here in a few minutes, so I don't know how far we'll get. Okay, so all right, let's see what this looks like. So I'm gonna have to clean this up. I wonder if we can make it so that I can turn these on and off. Let's pop. It does clearly seem like it's working, right? So oh geez. We're starting with 2023 March. May. And that was a drought year. So we got a bump. And overall, through the summer, things went downhill. We didn't get a rain after, I think, like early June. So basically we saw a slow decrease. We did get some fall August rains, so that'll be this little bump that we see in NDVI here. And then this will be just like interpolating between the two. So then we started in the next spring, and boom, we see a big jump up. We saw a peak around July with a slow taper down. I kept going a bit longer that year. I don't know why. Didn't mean to include this one from today. It's obviously snow. So a little bit too messy. Let's awesome, that looks good, but it's a bit too messy. I need to be able to toggle on and off different fields. I would also like a bit more interactivity. If you can suggest some additional features. But overall, figure 1 looks great and shows what I hoped to. We just need to refine. Maybe we could do this all this. All right, so an interactive Streamlit app would be perfect for this kind of visualization. Here's a version that allows for better interactivity. So this will give us a web app version of this, which I kind of like. My whole goal with this is to try to make it a little bit easier for pasture managers to be able to like monitor what's happening. So I'm going to accept all of this. Oh, I haven't used this in a while. It's showing in the changes right over here. Accept. Can I accept all? Did it accept all? Yeah, this is streamlit app. Yeah. To install required packages, pip install streamlit plotly. Oh, it's getting to be time to go. Let's stop the output. Let's do shell. We're going to do pip install streamlit plotly. We're going to that. So let's just do streamlit run main.py. Oops. Run main.py. Email. Throw my truck here. All right, man, we're getting to be kind of cool now. So right now we've got 3 areas here. We're able to look at them over time. Monthly patterns. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Good place to stop, but we're going to dive into this again a little more in depth I should have a drop down with Grandpa's East and Grandpa's West. These are just names that I kind of have offhand. And yeah, cool. Okay, catch you guys later.